Memes are very popular all over the web, and you can turn any photo into a meme by going around onto the guided option right here. So that is what we are focusing on right now, on the guided option. And then once we go around over here, then you can see meme editor is an option, meme maker is an option, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto meme, then what happens is that the picture can be turned into a meme. So you can go around, create a meme template, as you can see. So it's applying a meme template over here. And once that is done, you can see that this turns into a meme. And there you can see that there are text areas right here. So I'm just going to go around and say walking and riding along right here. You can go around over here just like this. Click outside, you can go around and edit out this text over here as well. Having fun right here just like this. So here you can see that there's the picture right there. It is in meme format, and there you go. That is how you can easily create out a meme right here. And you can go around onto the type tool right here, which allows you to actually go around over here and select out the text from over here as well. And you can go around, change around, let's say for example, this into different like font types, as you can see right here, and you can change around the like text settings over here as well. You can align it to the left, to the center, to the right here. You can bold this out, you can italicize out, and even change up the text color, as you can see just like this. And there's text overlay templates over here as well that you can work with, as you can see right here. So this is what you have on the type tool, and you can go around and work around with different things, as you can see just like that. So once you go around over here, there's the zoom level that you can work with, as you can see right here. So let me just go around, click outside. So if I were to go around onto the zoom level, you can change around the size of the image over here as well. That is there. And you can go around and flip out the image over here vertically or horizontally as well. Or you can fit the photo to the entire canvas over here as well. And you can go around and choose, let's say for example, a new border over here as well. So just like that as well, you can apply it. Or you can go around and choose a color right here, press OK, and that border will be applied. So I'm just going to go around and choose a border that I have right here. Let me press OK, and finally you get the effect option right here. So that is what allows you to add an effect onto the photo right here. As you can see, you can go around, choose an effect that you like, and it is applied, as you can see just like that. So once that is done, you can go around and press next and continue editing either in Quick and Expert, just like you want. So that is how you can use the guided meme maker inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.